Wait. Ready?
Come on, Willow. Up you get. Time to wait. She broke. Come on.
Well, who's that going to? Fucking Pablo's not gonna fucking throw it to you. His hands are full. Did he get you? Did he get you? It's okay. It's okay.
How do you guys feel about a walk? Do you like walks? How about going outside? Oh.
This is what we came home to tonight. That's Flower. Lulu, look at me.
엄마. 아빠. 블랑이. 블랑이.
블랑이, 손.
블랑이.
No.
Fingers crossed, I think I finally got bacon. Jill, for being too fluffy and cute. Get over here.
Xavier, okay.
Okay.
Good morning.
Ow! Do it again.
Oh, no.
Bob el perro toro mecánico no existe, el perro toro mecánico.
Who's that?
Here you go, big guy.
Surgeon, get your strawberry. Come on, get it. Oh, what are you
you have there? Get. Tell me about it.
So good and tasty.
Oh, you forgot your toy. Arthur.
Can you drop it? Drop it.
What makes me think you've been in the bin? You're a fuck. You silly goose.
You got eight. Let me see. Do you got the rock? No, get over here.
Wolfie's wearing jeans! Fuck! Come on! Come here! I like you jeans!
It's a giant fudgesicle. Oh!
Oh my god.
Kruifde.
Cardi, smile. Smile, girl. Say cheese. Yay!
Why are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.
That's awesome.
Тут, на дві.
Nope.
Okay.
No, you got lips. Oh my god.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Born next to a nuclear power plant, has an IQ of 2, and got hit in the head with several rocks as a child. But boy, can this guy play basketball.
Where's your toy? No, the other one.
Did you?
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the...
Have to jump in this car and turn you every which way but loose. Oh shit! Best friend, these was trying to jump me.
Okay. Do you want some food?
Yeah, I'm good. Goddamn.
Henry? This is Leo.
I had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
Sit back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet! Oh, the Claymore attack from out of nowhere! I think John Cena.
¿Tienes un pedacito de queso?
No, no tengo, bebé. ¿No has comido o qué?
Me he comido en 2 minutos.
I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the beat like boom. Mustard on the beat, bro. Bing, back, boom, back, bing, bing, boom.
Joey!
Are you ready to go to school? Let's go.
Exactly. That's why you got a pepper on right there. You is not about to shit on my floor.
Dog hat, diggity dog. Nice.
Foster, it's raining really bad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Not that we had this wonderful... Watch this. Have you ever seen anything like that?
Joy.
Oh yeah, give me that shot. Oh yeah, right there. Oh yeah, squeeze my face. Yeah, feels so good. Yeah.
Dog situation, except it's a dog situation. Oh my god, they're walking together.
Texas boy. Oh, great.
Get him, puppy.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
¿Quién hizo esto? ¿Quién lo hizo? Who chewed it up?
It's the final brain cell.
Hit it hard. Oh!
Ow! Stop it!
Martha. Martha. I think you're suffocating Reg. Martha. Martha.
Come here, Zach. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Do Superman. Do Superman. Do Superman.
Who done this?
No, pues si quieres te pongo una alberca.
Here you are with your tattoos up me.